We did a new campground in Chattanooga where my family and friends live, Chester Frost Campground in Hickson, Tennessee. We had heard about it from our friends who just started camping, Cindy and Paul. So we went there and very pleasantly surprised. It's a beautiful place.
Yes, it was our site was right on the water, on the lake, so it made it nice. You know how we like to be on waterfront properties.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that and the laundry was free. I never heard of that, but it was great. Nice facilities.
Yeah, the facilities were good and the bathrooms were nice, you said, too.
Yes, they were.
Yeah.
They were.
I didn't go in them, but he told me that they were. Yeah, you know, I don't think I would want to camp in the interior part of it because you miss out on the beautiful view of the lake. And it seemed a little bit more crowded in there, but it was still a beautiful park. I don't, you know, I mean, if you're looking for a campground in Chattanooga and, you know, especially for us, because we're not usually there. We don't stay at the campground. We're off and running and seeing everybody. I have a lot of family and a lot of friends there. So if we'd been in the interior, that would have been fine as well. We would have been happy. But we got a gorgeous place on the water, and right next door were
our friends.
Yeah, Paul and Cindy were right next door. We got to camp with them, which was so fun. And we've got more plans on camping together in Florida and hopefully in Chesapeake in the future.
Yeah. You know what else was good about them being right next to us is we got to answer all their questions because they're just starting out. So, you know, any questions he had on doing certain things, it's always good to have somebody to run by when you first start.
Absolutely.
Run by it because you can make a mistake and ruin your whole trip, you know.
Well, that's kind of how we learned. We were following people on YouTube, and it eliminated a lot of mistakes for us. And even every now and then we'll start to get a little lax, and I think, no, this is what they told us not to do. So we're going to make sure that we pay attention. Let's learn off other people's mistakes. We don't need to make our own, especially on the road, being by ourselves.
And it's so easy to make a mistake. Simple mistakes. You know, we've been doing this for a while.
This is our 7th year, our seventh season.
And you know, just last week I made a mistake of not waiting for her to get out of the truck and direct me back into the spot, or vice versa, me directing her back into parking it, and I bumped into something. Made a little ding on the bumper, but it was just a stupid mistake.
Yes. Going out walking with my peeps. Hey! Are we we're recording. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey! In the world is it like having pigs for pets?
Kind of like dogs. They mostly just sleep and eat.
They are too much. How long have you had them?
Since they were 6 weeks old.
Oh my gosh. That is unbelievable. I said, oh honey, I got to go out there and videotape that. When do you ever see that? That is too much.
He probably just wants you to pet him.
Do you want me to pet you? Okay. Let me pet you. Okay. Oh, yeah.